Okey. Sekejap, dia nak bersin tak jadi. Sekejap. Okay, sekarang kita tengok the second one. The second one, yang macam hari tu kita buat, dia hanya ada S je kat belakang. Okay, so all these words, when we change to plural nouns, only add S dekat belakang. Okay, now for the second one, yang ini dia akan add 2. E dengan S. Okay. So, yang pertama, example, box will change to boxes. Okay? Now, number 2. What word in number 2?
Wash.
Watch. When plural nouns?
Watches.
Watches. Tulis watches.
Then
Okay, now number 3.
dress.
Dress. And then, if plural? Dresses.
Then
Okay, number 4.
patch.
Patch. Kalau
Patch.
patch,
Patch.
patches.
Patches.
Okay.
Then
Okay, number 5.
match.
Match. Kalau match,
Matches.
matches. Matches.
Then
Next,
bush.
bush. Kalau bush,
Bushes.
bushes. Correct.
Then
Okay, number 7.
brush.
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 Dia bunyi lain dengan bush. Brush. Kalau brush, tukar kepada ni.
Jadi brushes.
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 Sudah?
Ya.
Okay, next. Number 8. Sandwich. Kalau tukar kepada ni?
Sandwiches.
Sandwiches. Good job.
Then
Okay, next. Number?
boss.
Boss. Kalau boss?
Bosses.
Bosses. Good.
Then
Number 10.
potato.
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 Okay, so potato?
Potatoes.
Potatoes.
Then
Okay, number 11.
tomato.
Tomato. Tomato?
Tomatoes.
Bukan tomatoes. Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes. Number 12.
Mango.
Mango. Mango?
Mangoes.
Mangoes. Okay, 13.
Hero.
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 Hero? Plural?
Heroes.
Bukan heroes. Heroes.
Heroes.
Okay, kalau bunyi oh dekat belakang, kita akan bunyikan S saja. Potato, potatoes. Mango, mangoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Hero,